Could eating lemons every day help you lose weight? Emerging research suggests lemons may offer various health benefits from weight loss to clear skin. But how credible are these claims? Let's examine the science. Weight loss. Obesity has tripled worldwide since 1975, with 39% of adults overweight globally in 2016. Losing weight can be challenging, leading many to seek solutions like the lemon detox diet. Research suggests that the polyphenols found in dietary lemon have the potential to suppress body weight gain and fat accumulation through cellular mechanisms. But let's look at some concrete examples. A placebo-controlled study published in 2015 revealed a 11-day diet consisting of a unique mixture of organic maple and palm syrups and lemon juice. The study included 3 separate groups. One without any dietary restrictions, called the normal C group, the second with a placebo juice, called positive C, and the third with the lemon detox juice, called the lemon D group. Following the 11-day observation, the study concluded changes in body weight, body mass index, percentage body fat, and waist-hip ratio were significantly greater in the lemon D and positive C groups compared to the normal C group. Serum insulin level, homeostasis model assessment insulin resistance scores, leptin, and adiponectin levels decreased in the lemon D and positive C groups. Serum high-sensitive C-reactive protein levels were also reduced only in the lemon D group. Therefore, we suppose that the lemon detox program reduces body fat and insulin resistance through caloric restriction. Another study suggests that the flavonoid compounds found in citrus fruits can display powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities. According to research, naringin and naringenin flavonoid supplements can be beneficial as treatments for obesity, diabetes, hypertension, and metabolic syndrome. While preliminary, adding lemon to water could promote hydration compared to sugary drinks. But lemon water alone cannot produce lasting weight loss that requires comprehensive lifestyle changes. Clear skin. Dreaming of clear, glowing skin, but plagued by acne and breakouts? Look no further than lemon water, your new secret skincare weapon. With over 50 million Americans affected by acne annually, many seek natural remedies like lemon. The vitamin C in lemon builds collagen, a protein essential for youthful skin elasticity, and lemon's antibacterial properties help eliminate acne-causing bacteria. These yellow citrus fruits have found their way into the skincare and beauty industry as unique antioxidant ingredient. Lemon peels specifically have shown protective effects on human keratinocytes by blocking oxidative stress-induced damage to these skin cells. Research also promotes lemon essential oils and important and beneficial ingredients in various skincare products. Lemon essential oils has antioxidant properties, i.e., fighting free radicals which cause premature aging of the skin, and is therefore a popular ingredient in skincare products. This makes it a suitable component in formulating cleansers, body washes, and soaps, as it helps in removing bacteria and other microbes from pores of the skin of acne-prone, oily skin. Finding our content useful? Support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more health and science updates. Energy booster. Do you ever hit an afternoon slump? We've all been there, eyelids drooping as we crave our third coffee. But lemons may offer a refreshing pick-me-up without the caffeine crash. The tangy scent of lemons can stimulate our senses and uplift our moods. Along with being the perfect summertime refresher, lemon extract can have an impact on our endocrine, autonomic, and immune functions through our olfactory nerves. One 2022 study shares exactly why lemon-scented products are so popular worldwide. The citrus essential oils possess a pleasant scent and impart relaxing, calming, mood, uplifting, and cheer, enhancing effects. The diffusion creates a fresh feeling and enhances relaxation from stress and anxiety, and helps uplifting mood and boosting emotional and physical energy. Citrus essential oils are fragrant, volatile molecules which upon inhalation can alter hemodynamic parameters or blood flow in the body by controlling circulation through the autonomic nervous system. So next time you need an afternoon boost, inhale the invigorating scent of a freshly sliced lemon or add some zest to your water. It's a simple, natural way to revive your senses and feel more energized. Healthy heart. Heart disease remains the #1 cause of death worldwide, claiming over 17 million lives per year. Reducing the risk of heart disease is yet another powerful benefit of lemons. While more research is needed, some studies suggest lemons may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, a key factor in heart health. One 2014 study conducted in Japan observed how daily lemon ingestion could change blood pressure levels and physical endurance in 101 middle-aged women aged between 33 and 77. Along with eating lemon every day for 5 months, the study participants were asked to be physically active and walk. The study results revealed how the systolic and diastolic pressures decreased in the study participants. However, the authors believe the decrease in blood pressure could be partly due to increased urination. The study quotes, "These results suggest that the walking and lemon ingestion have the effect of lowering systolic blood pressure by, respectively, different action mechanisms. There may be an additive or synergistic effect in movement and lemon ingestion." Another incredibly interesting study examined how simply inhaling lemon can also lower blood pressure and reduce anxiety. The 2020 clinical trial included 100 patients who had survived acute myocardial infarction and had developed anxiety and high blood pressure following their diagnosis. Chronic high blood pressure can pose a danger to acute myocardial infarction patients, as it could progress the condition, cause serious complications, and prompt hospital readmission. Lemon inhalation aromatherapy is reported to act as an antioxidant, analgesic, and cholesterol-lowering treatment. Aromatherapy is also widely used for its anti-stress and anti-anxiety properties. The clinical trial introduced lemon inhalation aromatherapy for 3 days, which lowered heart rate, anxiety, and systolic blood pressure of the patients. The study even suggests how aromatherapy could have a place in cardiac care units. As lemon inhalation aromatherapy in acute myocardial infarction reduced systolic blood pressure, anxiety, and percentage of heart rhythm changes while regulating heart rate, using this kind of aromatherapy is suggested in coronary care units. So while lemon water isn't a miracle cure, adding some zesty lemon to your routine could provide vitamin C, antioxidants, and plant compounds that may support overall wellness. Protection against cancer. Cancer remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, with over 10 million deaths in 2020 alone. Finding ways to prevent and treat this devastating disease is a top priority. Now, let's address a popular myth circulating on the internet. Can lemons cure cancer? While it's true that lemons and other citrus fruits contain naturally occurring substances that may have cancer-fighting properties, it's important to note that these properties have not been tested in humans. New research suggests that citrus juices and their extracts can have anti-cancer effects. A systematic review published in 2017 reviewed more than 22 scientific papers that explored the effects of citrus juices and their role in preventing diseases and cancer. The review argues how chronic inflammation and the release of inflammatory cells can increase the growth and progressions of certain cancers through immunosuppression. One way to bypass chronic inflammatory processes is to use anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substances that could provide some sort of protection. This includes our lemons and citrus juices. The study shares pathways related to inflammation are constitutive in the majority of cancers. Consequently, the use of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substances, mainly derived from natural origins, is highly desirable in the treatment of malignant tumors. Although these substances are not entirely risk-free, they are generally safer than synthetic drugs. While promising, the authors caution more research is still needed, especially human clinical trials. Another study that experimented on mice revealed how the daily consumption of cancer and ginger herbal infusion actually caused tumor regression. When it comes to lemon, the 2022 paper shares the essential oil of lemon fruit peels is limonene, a major bioactive component with a vital antifungal function. citrus fruits are abundant in biologically effective phytochemicals that may protect against many cancer types. Previous studies confirmed the anti-cancer potential of citrus peels, with potent activity reported for lemon peel. Furthermore, daily consumption of citrus fruits is connected with a diminished risk for gastric cancer. The ethyl acetate and petroleum ether extracts of citrus lemon have anti-cancer activity against various human cancer cell lines. No kidney stone. Kidney stones affect approximately 1 in 11 people in the United States, causing excruciating pain as the stones move through the urinary tract. These painful masses form when certain minerals crystallize in concentrated urine. But lemons may help prevent the most common type of kidney stones, calcium oxalate stones, which make up around 80% of cases. The connection between lemons and kidney health dates back centuries. A 12th century Egyptian physician named Ibn Jumai was one of the first to document using lemons to treat kidney stones in his medical treatise on lemon, its drinking and use. He recommended drinking lemon juice diluted in water for its diuretic effects and ability to alkalize urine. Some studies, which date back to 1996, discover the effects of lemon juice and water on a specific type of kidney stone known as hypocitratory calcium nephrolithiasis. Hypocitratoria stones develop when the body has a low amount of citrate in urine. Citrate is known to inhibit stone formation in kidneys, but when there are reduced amounts of citrate in urine, there is more risk of stones. The 1996 explored how lemon juice and lemonade could help stop the creation of hypocitratoric stones by increasing urine citrate levels. The study quotes, "Citrate supplementation with lemonade increased urinary citrate levels more than 2-fold without changing total urinary volume. Lemon juice, which contains nearly 5 times the concentration of citric acid compared to orange juice, is an inexpensive and well-tolerated dietary source of citrate. Lemonade therapy may improve patient compliance and may be useful as adjunctive treatment for patients with hypocitratoric calcium nephrolithiasis." More recently, a 2021 clinical trial discovered that fresh lemon juice supplementation reduced the risk of recurrent kidney stones in patients by over 50% compared to no supplementation. The protective benefits were most pronounced in the first year, when adherence to the lemon juice regimen was highest at 68%. So while gulping glasses of straight lemon juice may erode tooth enamel or irritate the stomach, moderate amounts may help keep painful kidney stones at bay. Whether it's a summer lemonade or a fresh cup of lemons, this yellow citrus fruit bears more powers than we know, from protecting the heart and preventing cancer to boosting our moods and clearing our skin. These are the reasons why lemons should find their way on weekly grocery shopping lists. Thanks everyone for watching. If you learned something new today, consider subscribing and comment down below what you want us to explore next.